Surviving an asteroid impact would be a monumental challenge, and the aftermath would present a series of devastating consequences. Here are some facts about what could happen if you survive an asteroid hitting Earth. 1. Impact winter. Following the asteroid impact, a vast amount of dust and debris would be thrown into the atmosphere, blocking sunlight. This could lead to a dramatic drop in temperatures, creating an impact winter that could last for months or even years. 2. Widespread fires. The heat generated by the impact would likely ignite massive wildfires across the planet. These fires could destroy vast areas of forest and other vegetation, contributing to the already challenging living conditions. 3. Global food shortages. With the impact winter causing a dramatic decline in sunlight, photosynthesis would be severely disrupted, leading to the collapse of agriculture. This would result in widespread food shortages and potential famine. 4. Mass extinctions. While you may survive, many species of plants and animals would not. The impact could trigger mass extinctions, significantly altering ecosystems and food chains, making it difficult for survivors to find food. 5. Severe climate changes. Long-term climate changes could occur due to the atmospheric disruption caused by the impact. Survivors might face extreme weather patterns, including prolonged cold periods, acid rain, and possible shifts in ocean currents. 6. Radiation risks. If the asteroid impact were to trigger volcanic eruptions or if it struck a region rich in radioactive materials, radiation exposure could become a significant threat to survivors. 7. Loss of infrastructure. The impact would likely destroy most of the world's infrastructure, including buildings, roads, and communication networks. Survivors would face the challenge of living without modern conveniences, such as electricity, running water, and medical care. 8. Scarcity of resources. Survivors would face a scarcity of essential resources, including food, clean water, medical supplies, and shelter. Competition for these limited resources could lead to conflict among survivors. 9. Collapse of societal structures. With governments and organizations likely decimated, societal structures could collapse. Survivors would need to form new communities and systems of governance, potentially leading to lawlessness and anarchy in some areas. 10. Psychological trauma. Surviving the impact and witnessing the widespread devastation would likely cause significant psychological trauma. Survivors might experience post-traumatic stress disorder, PTSD, depression, and other mental health issues. 11. Loss of biodiversity. The mass extinction of species would result in a significant loss of biodiversity. This would not only affect ecosystems but also reduce the availability of natural resources, such as medicinal plants and food sources. 12. Air and water pollution. The impact and subsequent events could pollute the air and water sources with toxic chemicals, ash, and debris. Survivors would need to find ways to purify their water and ensure they are breathing clean air to avoid illness. 13. Rebuilding and adaptation. Survivors would face the daunting task of rebuilding society and adapting to a radically changed environment. This would require ingenuity, cooperation, and resilience as they attempt to create sustainable living conditions in the new world. These facts outline the severe challenges that would face anyone who survives an asteroid impact, emphasizing the difficulties of living in a post-impact world. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, share and subscribe for more.